Hello everybody. I got this little teapot for $1.99 at a thrift store. And a lot of people have them or have a collection of them. And I even called the company and I was trying to find out what size batteries to put in it. And they said, well, the one I talked to, she wasn't really sure. And then she said, oh, I've got one of those. Once the batteries go dead, that's it. And so I got to looking online and I found out what size batteries it takes. And it's AG3, or it can also be LR41, can also be 392. It's listed right there. Okay. And I think I gave $1.90 something for the batteries online. Now to get this out, see, I didn't even know what this thing was when I got it. I didn't know it played music. I just thought the little teapot was cute. And then once I found out it played music, I'm like, well, now I'm curious. I gotta get it playing music again. And it's glued in there. And so what I did, now if you have a collection or something, or heirloom, I don't know, just anybody doing this, do it at your own risk. I got a butter knife and I put it in there and gently poked the plastic a little bit all the way around. I kept going around doing it slowly and gently, just poking the plastic. And it came up, and you can see there's like a little glue ring right there. And then push on the, well, push on the back. You can tell I scratched it trying to dig it out because I didn't know how it was glued in. This little thing, the little cup faces up. And what it is just like a little button thing. And so that little button will hit that. And I've got the flat side. Here's the old battery. I don't have that side facing up. I have this side facing up. Just slide it in there. I tried to put them in there the wrong way because I had already took the others out. And I'm like, I was forcing, I'm like, I'm gonna break it. So I flipped them over and it went right in. So you put your batteries, 2 batteries. Make sure your little button's still in there the way it's supposed to be, because you might move it with those batteries sticking out there. Put this back on it. And I'm not going to use E6000 or I may just use tacky glue, because I'm going to put it in my booth to sell it anyway. And so I think tacky glue that way. And then I might even put a couple extra, I could put batteries in there, couldn't I? No, I'll probably put a couple extra batteries taped to it somewhere. I don't know. I might not, but I might. But then I'll glue that, you know, get it even, and I'll glue it back. And now it plays music again. I hope this was helpful to somebody. And I hope you'll hit the like button. Bye, y'all.